to my grave, 'cause you are the only one.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 14. I told you guys that throughout this weekend I'll be baking. As you guys can see, I'm at work right now, okay? So today I am making frozen themed cupcakes. So you guys are going to be making them with me. Just in case any of you are interested in knowing how to decorate a cupcake, let's do it. So I already finished baking my fluffy chocolate cupcakes, and I also baked a few vanilla ones. So yeah, we're going to be decorating all of these cupcakes today. So I need to make a snowflake, and I'm going to be using this cutter. So for all of my decorations today, I am using this open star tip, and I am using buttercream. I mixed the color violet and white. You will know the reason why soon.
Day or night, you know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through.
And to give the cupcake that snow vibe, I am going to be using these snow globes that I bought from the store. If you haven't seen that video, it's going to pop up somewhere.
I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room.
So for the second designs, I am still using that same star tip, and I am using buttercream color white and blue, and instead of going round and round, I'm just making stars on every part of the cupcake.
'Cause you are the only one.
So for the third designs, I am doing the same thing I did on the first one, but with the color blue and white. And I'm also raising my hands a little bit higher than the first one.
leave, it's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one.
So yes guys, that's the end of today's video. If you guys enjoy my baking videos, do let me know. I don't mind. I will show you guys, okay? But yeah, let me know in the comment section which of the designs were your favorites, and I'll tell you guys which one my favorites were. I mean, it's hard to pick, but yeah, you guys should let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.
'Cause you